First things first, we're gonna take those words and just shift it and PS it. Just place it right in the midst, then SY to widen it up, and then just move the last two words to go over to the Y minus. Then just space it out by keeping the middle vertex as the active element. Okay, so it seems alright. GZ. Alright, now it's EY right over there. Let's GX this and move it a little to the left. SX, shrink it. There we go. Then GZ and push it down. Looks good, looks good. Now Shift D over there. Now we are gonna repeat the same thing over and over for the rest of the flaps. Okay, now the entire second flap will be on the will be on the same Z axis. To be honest, after the first one, the rest three or four of the flaps should be on the same Z axis and should be flat over on the Z, like that. So now it's time to solidify them. Let's tilt this a little bit just with the RY. It looks fine over here, but still it's a little bit. Alright. Now we can here directly use the solidify modifier. Now here we can use directly the solidify modifier. Let's go for point 0.05. Let's go for point 0. Let's go for point 0.005. That seems more than enough. Apply it, then turn on the sub D, then isolate it and just make sure of the borders. Cool, it looks nice. Now just shade smooth and we're done with the first flap. Now we're just gonna do the same thing over and over to the rest of the three.